Florence Nightingale. Biography. Florence Nightingale was the founder of modern nursing and showed that trained nurse and clean hospital help sick people get better. She was now the lady with the lamp. Florence was born on May 12, 1820 in the Italian city of Florence. Nightingale was fluent in English, French, German and Italian. She chose to pursue nursing at a young age. Determined to work hard, Florence went to Egypt in 1850 to study nursing.
In 1851, she trained to be a nurse in Germany. In 1853, Florence had her first job in a hospital in London. She was a nurse who had 38 nurses working under her during the Crimean War. In 1816, Florence opened a nursing school in London. Nurses trained there were known as Nightingale nurses. She died on August 13, 1910 in Florence.